Hello everybody. I'm going to try to limit this to a 5-minute video. I'm going to show you the new maps from the Storm Prediction Center. This is, let me pull up today's map. So like I had thought, in the northern half of Mississippi, they would change it from a level 3 to a level 4. I mean a level 5, which is high. I mean, you may see this only once a year. A level 5. That is very concerning. As I explained in my video last night, there's lots of CAPE and very high wind shear in the level 4 area, but this area will be hit later today from probably about 3 o'clock to 9 o'clock central time. That's when the CAPE plus wind shear will be the highest. So this will be an area to watch. And like I had predicted, there's going to be lots of strong tornadoes today. This is also important to know that wherever the Hatch area, they're expecting strong tornadoes, EF2 to EF5. Not only that, but long track. These are not going to be 3 or 4 mile long tracks. These can be 10, 30, 40, or 50 mile long storms. In this area, super strong EF3 and very long track in this whole hash mark. But the greatest chance for any form, a EFO or higher, would be here. Wind threat. So this is where they're expecting winds 50 knots or higher. 50 knots or higher. That's about 60 miles per hour or higher, the highest chance. Hail. This is also hail. So anywhere you see this is where they're expecting hail of 1 inch. But in the hatched area, there is a 10% of large hail defined as 2 inches or greater in size. That's today. Okay. Tomorrow, we're having, now this was last night we had this enhanced. We went from level 3 to level 4. Same thing. This is going to be revised later today. In fact, it says it's going to be revised around 1:30 p.m. today. And again, as you saw on the previous screen, in the Hatch area, they're expecting EF2 to EF5 storms with long tracks, not these usual 3 to 6 mile long tracks, but say 20, 30, 40 miles long. And this is a very high chance of the tornado. This is very concerning. 45% chance of high winds, so 50 knots or higher. So that's very concerning. Again, this is for 1 inch hail. Now they may revise it, and I'll show you where I think they're going to revise it later today. I think they're going to revise this. I've never seen a level 5 for the southeast Carolina or the Georgia area. We currently have a level 4 threat for all forms of severe storms. Just like here, I see in the Midwest and Deep South this high probably once or twice a year. I think we're going to have that over here. So let's go over the risk. The tornado. We went over that wind, hail. Now, where do I think they're going to draw a higher hash mark? So this is some screenshots I took. This is a close-up. I think from near Columbia down to Myrtle Beach, near Wilmington, in this area, they may raise this from a level 4 threat to a level 5 threat. This is where most of the storms with the current models will be somewhere between 1 and 6 p.m. tomorrow. This is where the precipitation will be, and between 1 and 6 is when the threat for the highest CAPE and the highest wind shear. So I'm looking maybe late tonight or early tomorrow to have a level 5. I don't think I've ever seen a level 5 threat in this area before. So I'll keep you up to date. Over and out.